American philosopher Thomas Paine, a critic of the Bible, predicted that there will not be 5 Bibles in America. Today, there are millions upon millions of Bibles in America. Dr. Lewis Sperry Chafer, a great theologian, once said about the Bible, "The Bible is not a book a man could read if he would, nor is the Bible a book man would write if he could." He said Bible is the book of God. It is unique in its thesis and morals. It is unprejudiced. It has its enduring freshness. It is supernatural. It is unique as literature.